Hola, amigos. So today, what I want to do is go over the gender of adjectives. Adjectives in Spanish agree in gender and number of the noun that they are describing. So I got to pay attention to masculine and feminine things. Let's take a look at the next page, my first example. So the question is, ¿Cómo es ella? What is she like? So I want to describe Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus is a girl. If I'm talking about a girl, then I need to make my adjective feminine or my adjectives feminine. For example, if I want to say Miley Cyrus is short, funny, and interesting, I need to say Miley Cyrus es baja, that's feminine, cómica, y interesante. Interesante is a neutral adjective. So I had to change my adjective from being bajo to baja. Okay, so, and this is cómico or comica. So make sure you're paying attention to that this week as we go through and start to describing people. Next one. Okay, this is Paul Rudd, Ant-Man. ¿Cómo es él? What is he like? If I'm talking about a male, I need to use masculine adjectives. Paul Rudd is short, funny, and interesting. And in Spanish, Paul Rudd, and this is my verb, es bajo, cómico, y interesante. Notice that interesante is a neutral adjective, and it's used for both masculine and feminine. It doesn't change. Okay, so that's what we're doing, and let's take a look at the next page. And this is kind of what we're going to do this week is talk about ourselves. ¿Cómo eres? What are you like? Here's my example. I am smart, athletic, and nice. Yo soy, this is my verb here, ser. Yo soy inteligente, atlético, y simpático. I want you to be able to say 4 things about yourself for next class. Okay? So good. That's it, guys. Make sure you do the workbook assignment for this week, and I will see you next class period. Adios.